GymLane folding massage chair is easy and convenient to be carried, installed, and stored. The ergonomic design makes massage easier and more comfortable. The massage chair comprises of a face cushion for supporting the head, a chest supporting cushion, a wrist supporting armrest, a front support component, a seat cushion component, a rear support component, a kneeling cushion, a main beam, a front support frame, and a rear support frame. The face cushion, chest cushion, armrest, seat cushion, and kneeling cushions are all made of soft materials such as soft foam. The main frame of the GymLane folding massage chair is made of aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, and all the support components are of fiberglass reinforced nylon, so that the chair is very light and strong. The face cushion component comprises a face cushion and a face cradle. The face cushion frame is provided with a handle. Releasing the handlebar when adjusting the face cradle, the face cradle can be rotating around until your desired angle is reached. Two knobs are behind the chest cushion, and by tightening or loosening the knobs, the distance between the face cushion and chest cushion can be adjusted. The chest cushion component comprises of a chest cushion plate, and cushion plate holder. A guide groove is provided on the chest cushion plate holder. By releasing the handle, the chest cushion plate holder can be moved forward and backward along the direction of the guide groove. Rotate it under the front support bar and you can get your desired angle and position. The front support bar is equipped with a serrated groove. When you pull the handle, you can move the armrest freely. Furthermore, the handle does not need to be pulled when the armrest moves upwards. The holder is provided with a slot to adjust the angle of the armrest by pulling the handle. The front support bar is equipped with a quick lock mechanism, which contains a handle. By the release of the handle, the front support bar can rotate around until you get the most appropriate and comfortable position. Then, by pushing the handle, the front support bar will lock in place. If the massage chair needs to be folded, the handle of the quick lock mechanism should be released to enable the front support bar to turn back for folding. Lifting the seat cushion while pushing the handle, then fold the seat cushion down. In addition, the seat cushion can be unfolded by lifting the cushion up without pushing the handlebar. It automatically goes into working mode. The kneeling cushion is an attachment. It can be easily separated from the chair frame when the kneeling cushion is no longer needed. The beam bracket is the main backbone frame of the massage chair. The front support bar, the front support leg, and the rear support leg can rotate around the beam bracket for adjustment or folding. The front support leg and the rear support leg holds the entire massage chair together. By pulling the pin at the upper part of the front support leg, you can turn it backwards and fold it. The rear support leg and the front support leg holds the entire massage chair together. It can be folded by pressing the button at the upper part of the rear support leg and turning it forwards.